SAUER's Newington campus, North Branch Construction delivered one of the most complex projects imaginable, a live fire testing facility for the U.S. Army's next-generation squad weapons. The centerpiece was the installation of a 328-foot-long steel firing tube built in 30,000-pound sections and suspended 14 feet in the air over an active manufacturing floor. Aligning the tube where the exit end landed within less than an inch of the building's primary power feed demanded perfect precision on the first attempt. The project also expanded ground-level test ranges with 6 ballistic traps and 3 trap designs, each custom-engineered for specific weapons and usage scenarios. Every trap integrated seamlessly with new fire, alarm, and security systems, while ensuring testing could only occur under fully operational safety conditions. To hoist the massive tube sections into place, NBC fabricated a custom cradle and rigging system, rotating and setting each piece with exacting accuracy. Through innovation, precision, and collaboration, North Branch delivered a mission-critical facility that now serves as a cornerstone of SIG Sauer's next generation of defense technology.